In this lesson, we're going to learn about ratio tables and how they relate to proportions. Let's suppose we mix 1 liter of syrup with every 3 liters of water to make a drink, kind of like Kool-Aid. And we could put that ratio, I see a ratio of 1 to 3, we could put that ratio into a table. So we have syrup, and we have water, and we make a table. And we can see that we have 1 liter of syrup for every 3 liters of water to make a drink. And that's pretty cool. So if we add in an extra cup of, or a liter of syrup, we'll now have 2 liters of syrup, which means we would need to have an extra 3 liters of water, and for a total of 6 liters of water. And if we have an extra liter of syrup, so now we have 3 liters of syrup, we're going to need another 3 liters of water for a total of 9 liters of water. So the ratio 1 to 3, the ratio 2 to 6, the ratio of 3 to 9, they're all the same ratio. They're equivalent. So if we wanted to know, well, how much water is needed to mix with 6 liters of syrup, which means we're going to have a 6 underneath the left column right here. And we want to know how much water do we need. Well, this is actually a pretty easy problem to solve because all we have to do is notice that to go from 3 to 6, we multiply by 2, which means to go from 9 to the mystery value, we multiply by 2, and so the answer is 18 liters of water is necessary to mix with 6 liters of water, syrup. And what if we have the question, how much syrup is needed to mix with 15 liters of water? So now we've got 15 over here. And we want to know how much syrup is needed. Well, that's a pretty easy problem because we can see that 3, multiplied by 5 gives us 15. So we could take 1, multiplied by 5, and we get the answer of 5 liters of syrup is needed to have, if we're going to have 15 liters of water.